Hey everyone, Kirk Jackson Real Estate. I would like to thank you so much for dropping by my latest listing, 3230 Aubrey Road, located in Mississauga. This detached home is situated on a pie-shaped lot, recently renovated and close to numerous amenities. I truly believe this is going to be your next home, and I can't wait to show you why. Let's go on in. Thank you for stopping by 3230 Aubrey Road in Mississauga. I certainly hope that you enjoyed your visit. If you would like more information about this phenomenal property or would like to know how your house could look this good, please feel free to give me a call. Until next time,